In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the BoomBoom nasal stick. This particular scent is lavender, but it does come in many different scents. And the purpose of the BoomBoom nasal stick is to clear up nasal passageways. You might have a stuffy nose, or you're cold or congested, and this will help open up the air pathways. All right. So in order to use it, you just turn the bottom of it counterclockwise to get access to your nasal spray. And actually what you're doing is you're inhaling it. All right, so I'm going to show you right now. Wow. So you only do it one time. You breathe in one time per nostril, and you'll have an amazing feel. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.